Hi there, here are 9 things to consider when looking at a subscription model for your tax services. Number 1, is a subscription model good for me? Our clients tend to be proactive. They're looking for a solution that happens throughout the year. They're looking to take action instead of waiting until the last couple months of the year or even in March or April. We do a lot of work to educate our clients on what can be done throughout the year and let them know what options that they have throughout the year so that they can save taxes the next year when they file their taxes. Our clients also expect individualized results. We know that each client is different. Each client operates a little differently. Each client has a little bit different goals. So their plan needs to be different. Their plan needs to reflect that. So when we're designing our goals, our strategies for our clients, we're always keeping our client and their goals and who they are in mind. Number 2, what is the difference between a subscription model and a traditional model? In a subscription model, we're able to spend more time with our clients. And that means we're able to have deeper relationships with our clients as well. We know who they are, we know their names, we know more than just their business, we know their goals, we know what makes them tick on the inside. In a subscription model, we're focused on having deeper relationships with our clients, as opposed to a traditional firm who might be focused more on volume and having as many clients as they can and using their time the most efficiently. The dynamics of the subscription model incentivizes a long-term relationship. So we are focused on getting you the best results and understanding you and getting the results that work best for you. One of the biggest benefits in a subscription model is that we don't charge for questions throughout the year. Whether you ask a million questions or you don't ask any questions at all, it's all included in the subscription. As opposed to a traditional firm, when you ask questions, you're not sure if the meter is running on their time or not. Most CPA firms charge by the hour, and when you answer the phone to answer a question, that doesn't stop. Number 3, why go with a subscription model? More than anything, the reason to go with a subscription model is that we're able to focus on you. And that means spending more time on each client. It means getting personalized results. And it means prioritizing a relationship with the client. In a subscription model, we're able to spend more time on each client. This means that we're able to get better results for each client as well. We're not focused on rushing through a return or a client as fast as they can. We are focused on more than just tax preparation. We're focused on helping our clients achieving their goals and achieving the best results possible. The subscription model also allows for easier budgeting with your accounting expenses. It's the same price every month. That means that when you're trying to make a budget, you know exactly what you're going to spend, and there's no surprises throughout the year. There's no big bill. It's all the same, spread out across the entire year. Number 4, what to expect when you're a subscriber. It all starts with the initial consultation via Zoom. We have a meeting and we discuss your goals, and how we can help you achieve those goals. We talk about what you've done in the past and what you'd like to do different going forward. From there, we go through onboarding, and this involves signing engagement letters, which is like a contract, getting you set up on the bill. After the initial consultation and the client goes through the onboarding process, we take a deep dive into the financials. We look at how the business is doing currently on their financials and see if there's any estimated taxes that need to be paid. We also take a look at the prior year returns that have been filed, just to see if there's anything that might have been missed or that we could do better. A lot of times clients that use the DIY software tend to miss some things or put things in the wrong place. So we're making sure that everything is good in the past as well as going forward. Next, we create a specific tailored strategy to you and your business. We aren't just a one-trick pony where we have one solution for everyone. What works for one person may not work for the other. And more importantly than anything, we make sure that the client's strategy and their plan doesn't end up hurting them in the future. Once we have a plan, we sit down with the client and go over what needs to happen and recommendations. We make sure that the client is educated on why we're making this choice and why it's beneficial for them. We also make sure that the client is aware of some unintended consequences that could happen down the line as a result of this plan. After we discuss the plan with the client, we give them the knowledge and the resources to be able to implement that in their business. And of course, during the year, we're filing their business taxes, their individual taxes. We respond to any notices that they get throughout the year, or We're also calculating quarterly estimated taxes throughout the year so the client doesn't receive a surprise bill in April. Number 5, what does it cost? The fees for our services start out at $250 a month, and that is for the basic Schedule C, disregarded LLC kind of client. They don't have any extra entities, and they're filing in only 1 or 2 states. For each additional entity, such as an S Corp, a C Corp, or a partnership, it's an extra $50 a month. There are some things that could increase the monthly fee, such as filing in more than 3 states, or having multiple business activities in one entity, such as having 3, 4 plus rental activities in one entity. Number 6, could I do this myself? Absolutely. You could 100% do everything by yourself. There is no requirement to have a CPA or an enrolled agent or any tax professional to help you with filing your taxes at all in this entire process. More than anything, there are so many softwares out there that could do this for a much cheaper price. When you use DIY software, you're using the software just to file your return, but you're not getting anything beyond that. Typically, the software is not helping you with tax planning, it's not helping with advice, and it's definitely not personalized to you. You're not getting the best results that you could. Working with a tax professional ensures that not only are your taxes filed correctly, but you're not missing out on any kind of easy deductions. Number 7, how long does a subscription last? Typically, we use contracts that last 1 year or 12 months, and this ensures that you know the same price for the next year. But that doesn't mean that you're locked into the contract for the entire 12 months. You can cancel at any point with a 30 days notice. Number 8, what is tax planning? Tax planning is the action of proactively making a plan to set in place to help you save on taxes. Tax planning is a process that happens throughout the year. It's not something that happens in March or April. It's something that happens January through December. The best plans that save clients the most are the ones that are proactive and not reactive. And number 9, the difference between tax evasion and tax avoidance. Every strategy that we put in place is called tax avoidance. Tax avoidance is the legal way of avoiding taxes by taking advantage of the tax code. Tax evasion is the illegal process of filing returns that aren't correct on purpose or just straight up not paying your taxes. We hope this answers any questions you have. If you'd like to schedule a free consultation, go to ryanbillscpa.com and follow the link.